Evita, I am in my third day of fasting and I feel great. I'm not hungry, I have energies, and I believe even animals, they fast when I injure to heal. So the reason I decided to fast is because the energy that usually goes to digestion is going to heal me.
Right.
What I understand is when you are fasting, the energy that usually goes to digest, which is an enormous amount of energy, is used to strengthen the immune system and also to heal. And this is what's happening to me right now. I hurt very badly my cartilage 6 days ago, and I can't believe that I am functional again. So what is it that you feel when you're fasting?
Mm-hmm. Scientifically speaking, fasting, which means refraining from solid foods, okay, when you're allowing liquids to your body, like juicing, for example, or water, or coconut water, you are fasting, right? So fasting, scientifically speaking, switches the body into the mode of aminostasis. The body has trillions of cells, okay? 25% of these cells are old cells. Another 25 are fat cells. Another 25 are old cells. So the body, when we don't consume, when we don't stuff ourselves with food, goes into a process of eating up those disease cells, those fat cells, those old cells. And what? It creates more room, more space for production of young cells. So that's why fasting is the quickest method of rejuvenation and restoration of body's energy. And it is true that all that energy that would normally go to put, like let's say if people eat a steak, you have to put the steak apart. You see, think about it, the steak is very dense, right? It might be loaded with minerals and God knows what's inside, right? Mm-hmm. But unfortunately it's dense as a brick. So the body has to work very, very heavily to put all this, to extract minerals and amino acids and discharge the rest, right? So all that energy, when you consume liquids, like for example, you make beetroot juice with, beet apple juice. It's like a liquid blood transfusion, almost. And it's almost like the body receives liquid nutrition in colloidal form, which is very easy to penetrate the cell. So the cells open up and they're like, oh, okay, we're getting the nutrients ready. Cool, we're gonna give you the toxic stuff. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna take the good stuff and we're gonna get rid of the bad stuff. That's why when you're cleansing, a lot of toxins are flowing in the bloodstream. So if you are fasting and you have blood work done, urine work, like lab tests, when you're fasting, they will come out horrible, that you're about to die. Why? Because your body is actually purging everything out and throwing it out. Yeah, and it's a difficult process in the sense that we are not used to this, because we're used to cheering ourselves up with food and energizing ourselves, right? Like, oh, energy is down, let's drink a cup of coffee and so here it's more of like, let go, let the body actually hit the bottom, and then it can rebuild its energy naturally. And then when it rises again, that energy is through the roof. Besides, in terms of healing, fasting on juices, which are very alkaline, which are loaded with alkaline minerals, or fasting on fruit, which also, people don't know, delivers high quantities of alkaline minerals. When the body has alkaline, when the body turns its liquids inside into alkaline, it helps to heal. It helps to remove pain. Why? Because any pain in the body is a symptom of acid. Right?
No wonder my pain was reduced so much.
Yeah. Also, you see, when you don't introduce solid foods which are hard to digest, but you allow liquidity, right? There's less impact on the nervous system.
Evita, I start fasting with whatever I learned when I was 19, and I fast every Friday and 3 days every month. I did it for many, many, many years. When I went to visit my friends back in Argentina, they all look 10 to 15 years older than me. It's not that I look younger, they are aging quickly. Right. So tell me the benefits that you see in your clients of fasting.
Yeah, well, number one thing, reduces inflammation. Okay, and as we know, inflammation is what causes cancer, causes heart disease, causes all sorts of, it causes diabetes. So cleansing reduces inflammation. Inflammation comes from acidic foods and stress. And if you introduce alkaline, you make your body alkaline, the body releases cholesterol, releases fat, because it does not have to protect itself, right? So it can basically feel safe inside.